Wherever you're at in your day, be it morning, afternoon, or night, it's never too late to give yourself a lift, to calm and refocus your mind, and to make this day a great success. So get yourself comfortable and join me as we practice some simple mindfulness followed by some powerful affirmations. And now let's begin with a few deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose if you can, and out through your mouth. Take nice long, slow, deep breaths, comfortably filling your lungs each time, and breathing out long and slow. Take a few more breaths like that. As you breathe out, relax your shoulders. As you breathe out, relax your jaw. And feel free to close your eyes if you like. Take one more nice deep breath in, and then let it all go. Good. Now you can just relax your breathing. Let it flow naturally, in its own time. And without controlling your breath in any way, just observe your breath. Notice when you're breathing in, and notice when you're breathing out. You can always place one hand on your belly to help you stay tuned in to your breath, if that's easier. Notice when you're breathing in, and simply notice when you're breathing out. Let it flow naturally, in its own time, in its own rhythm. And if your mind wanders, that's okay, because that's what the mind does. But when you notice your mind has wandered, just gently bring it back to your breath, and then just start noticing your breath again. Do this for a little while longer. Good, and now bring your attention to your feet. Notice any sensations you can feel in your feet. Any strong sensations, or any subtle sensations. If you can't feel anything at all, you can always just wiggle your toes to help you tune into your feet. Just notice any sensations you can feel there. And then pass your attention up to your legs. Notice any sensations in your legs. Just notice what you find. And if you can't feel anything at all, that's okay. Just the act of trying is perfect. And then pass your attention up to your belly and to your chest. Notice any sensations you can feel. Just notice them. Nothing to change, nothing to do. Then pass your attention to your shoulders, and then down your arms, noticing anything you feel on the way, and into your hands. Then pass your attention back up your arms, through your shoulders and into your neck and head. Just accepting whatever you find. Good. And now for a little while, just notice your whole body resting here. Notice any sensations you can feel, and just let them be exactly as they are. Good. And for the final part of this meditation, I invite you to repeat some positive words after me, either in your mind or out loud, and really focus on how these words make you feel. Let's begin. I am present. I am here. I am in my body. And all is well in this moment. I welcome peace into my mind. I welcome calm into my body. I meet this day with strength and kindness. I move through this day with confidence and ease. I believe in my ability to handle whatever comes my way. I choose to see the good in myself and in this day. I am calm. I am strong. I am winning this day, one moment at a time. Let's repeat those once more. I am present. I am here. I am in my body. And all is well in this moment. I welcome peace into my mind. I welcome calm into my body. I meet this day with strength and kindness. I move through this day with confidence and ease. I believe in my ability to handle whatever comes my way. I choose to see the good in myself and in this day. I am calm. I am strong. I am winning this day, one moment at a time. Good. Take a nice deep, cleansing breath in, fill your lungs, and then let it all go. And you can blink your eyes open. If you enjoyed this 10-minute meditation, I invite you to meditate with me for 10 minutes a day for the next 10 days. Just use the playlist on screen. And I'm sending you peace, I'm sending you love, and I'm sending you happiness for the rest of your day.